When it comes to land development and construction projects in Noida Sector 50, contour surveying plays a crucial role. Contour surveyors in Noida Sector 50 (PHP) are professionals who specialize in mapping the topography of a piece of land. They use advanced surveying techniques to determine the elevation and shape of the terrain, including any natural features such as hills, valleys, or water bodies. By creating contour lines on a map, these surveyors provide valuable information to architects, engineers, and construction teams, helping them design and plan their projects more effectively. One of the key benefits of contour surveying is its ability to assist in the design process for construction projects. With accurate information about the land's topography, architects and engineers can make informed decisions about the placement of buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. This helps to optimize the use of space and ensures that structures are constructed in a way that is safe and stable. By incorporating contour surveying into the design process, potential issues such as drainage problems or unstable ground can be identified and addressed early on, saving both time and money in the long run. SCON design is another important aspect of land development in Noida Sector 50. PHP. SCON stands for Site Concept and Optimization Network, which is a design tool used by architects and engineers to create efficient and sustainable building layouts. By considering factors such as natural light, ventilation, and energy efficiency, SCON design aims to maximize the functionality and comfort of a space while minimizing its environmental impact. This information is used to create digital models that simulate different design options and their impact on the site. By analyzing these models, architects and engineers can make informed decisions about the placement of buildings, roads, and green spaces to optimize functionality and sustainability. PHP. Contour surveying is essential for land development and building projects in Noida Sector 50. Sector 50 in Noida has contour surveyors. These are experts who focus on mapping a piece of land's topography. To establish the elevation and shape of the landscape, including any natural features like hills, valleys, or water bodies, they use modern surveying techniques. These surveyors give essential information to architects, engineers, and construction crews by drawing contour lines on a map, assisting them in designing and planning their projects more successfully. The capacity of contour surveying to support the design phase of construction projects is one of its main advantages. Architects and engineers can plan the location of structures, roads, and other infrastructure with precision if they have knowledge of the topography of the area. This makes it possible to use space as efficiently as possible and guarantees that buildings are built securely and steadily. Contour surveying can be used to identify potential difficulties early in the design phase, such as drainage concerns or unstable ground, which will ultimately save time and money. Another crucial element of the land development